Is your Motorola apps not working because of the Mobexdll library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we begin our Mobexdll library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Mobexdll library, the Motorola OBEX Object Exchange library. It manages unmanaged protocol handshakes for transferring files and data between a PC and Motorola mobile devices via Bluetooth or USB. It facilitates the orchestration of device synchronization manifests. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of Motorola to restore the Mobexdll library DLL library without risking system instability. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Mobexdll library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Be aware that manual fixes for Mobexdll library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If you're addressing Mobexdll library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If this fix repaired Mobexdll library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.